Hey guys, this is going to be a remake video of this 42-inch Hampton Bay Florentine ceiling fan. This is from September of 1998, and this is installed in one of the bedrooms at my friend's house. Alright, I'll pick up the phone and give you a closer look at it. Here's a closer view. There's the Hampton Bay logo on the switch housing, which a lot of 90s Hampton Bays have. This is made by SMC because it has the brackets that you would see on an SMC. The blades are reversible white to oak blades. I'll give you a top shot of it. There's the SMC logo. And there's the date, September 1998. Alright, I'll set the phone back down. Alright, now I'll demonstrate it for you, starting off with the light. One of the bulbs are burnt out. And now for low. It's starting to hum a little bit. Alright, here's medium. Here is high. This thing is just wild and high. Alright, that is about it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.